You don't have to be a lawyer or a doctor. Even a hotel receptionist bringing little bits and pieces of joy to guests every day, that's very fulfilling as well. My name is Jovinn and I specialize in hotel reception, and I actually participated in the WorldSkills Special Edition 2022. Hotel reception is where most guests get their first impressions of the hotel from. We are always ready to provide service to guests regardless of what situation it might be. Hence, we are always needed to be very quick thinking and very helpful and positive to the guests. When I was 16 years old, I went into the F&B sector and then I joined the Resorts World Sentosa. From there, I really realized that I love making people smile and I love providing service to people. So I decided to join Republic Polytechnic in the Diploma of Hotel and Hospitality Management. And I joined WorldSkills Singapore, where I emerged as the champion. You will gain a lot more than just a gold medal. You will gain a lot of friends, experiences, and definitely knowledge coming from a competitor myself. Personally, I developed to be who I am today from the past 3 years of training. I was a very reserved type of person, but with the help of my coach, my expert, and my valuable managers and team leaders, they were able to give me the confidence boost to make me more outspoken and more positive.
So I first met Jovinn in late 2021. She was driven towards her own goals and very guest-centric and just a delight to be around. To get the gold, I was overjoyed for her. She'd put so much hard work and effort into this.
Doing what you're happy in, I think that's the most important, and I hope to be able to inspire my fellow juniors to follow their dreams and passions too. I'm just really proud that I'm able to bring the medal back home to my family, friends, my school, and of course Mandarin Oriental Singapore.